everyone, and welcome to our channel. We are the Southern Bells. I'm Rebecca.
And I'm Wanda.
And today we have for you an Ipsy unbagging.
Yay. And I just unbagged my Ipsy Glam Bag Plus, and it was really, really good. I really enjoyed it.
Yeah, it was really good. So I'm excited to see what we got in here and see if this lives up to the Glam Bag Plus.
But Rebecca's going to share with you some of the products from her last bag. I'm not sharing any of mine because I got a lot of skincare, and to be honest, they're on backlog right now. I'm still trying to use up some other things first.
Yes, but I really like most of what I got in my last bag. I've used 3 of the items so far. The first thing I'm going to show you is the Christoph Robin Purifying Scrub with Sea Salt. And this is actually a hair scrub. It smells really good. I'll say that to start off with. It smells really good. You can already see how much of it I've used. There's just a little bit left. It smells really good, and I will tell you, this stuff is perfect for my hair. I have really oily hair, and if my hair starts feeling oily, when I use this stuff, it takes the oil right out. It gives it a really nice deep clean. My hair feels so deeply cleaned when I use this. I've used it probably 3 or 4 times. So yeah, I really, really like it.
Good.
The next thing I'm going to show you guys, I've only used this once. This is the Youth to the People Super Berry Hydrate Glow and Dream Mask.
That's a long name.
This smells pretty good too. It's got a very light citrus scent, which is a nice relaxing smell as you're laying there trying to go to sleep. I've used this and I did like it. It did make my skin really soft in the morning when I woke up. I will say I've only used it once because I don't like having that gummy feeling on my face when I'm trying to go to sleep. But that's just a personal thing. So that's this. And then this is, I can't remember, hold on, let me check my phone to let you know what this brand was. This is the Lovecraft Beauty Lipstick in Fausta. I actually have this color on right now. I've used this pretty much every single day since I've gotten it, because it's kind of a lighter color for the springtime and summertime. So yeah, I really, really like this as well. So Ipsy last month definitely hit the nail on the head. They did a really good job and sent me stuff that I use and would buy on my own when I run out of it.
She got a good bag last time.
Yeah, I really, really did. So it'll be hard to live up to it.
But I'm anxious to see what I did look and see what I had, but I've really forgotten what it said that I was getting this month, so it'll be kind of a surprise.
It will be. Don't you go first.
Okay. All right.
Oh, these bags are pretty.
Oh, yeah, yeah.
It looks like a desert sunrise.
Sunset or sunrise.
It does.
The Glam Bag Plus was sort of like this graduated colors or whatever, but it was a bluer.
It was like blue and yellow, I think, or something like that.
And there's the little tab.
That's so nice.
Okay, I like that. All right, well, I have an item outside of my bag, so I'm going to start with that.
Okay.
And it is this brush.
But that's a pretty color.
Yeah.
That rose color.
I think this is a Farrah brush because it's the same shape as one that I have a gold tone one in it and that I really like. I use it for blending a good bit. So, yeah, I like the way this feels. Very nice bristles.
That is really nice.
Pretty color.
Awesome.
And I'm always okay with a brush because then I don't have to wash them.
Yeah.
So, okay.
Okay. So, the first thing I have is, I've been looking forward to this. The Fab Pharma Arnica Relief and Rescue Mask, Soothe and De-Stress by First Aid Beauty. I'm looking forward to this because I have been breaking out a lot lately, and I've been looking for any solution I can find. So I'm excited to see if this helps with that.
I've had something from First Aid Beauty, and I really liked it.
Cool.
It wasn't that same thing, but I did like it.
I think they're supposed to be a really good brand.
Okay, here's the card. Get that glow.
Oh, this doesn't have the items listed, just like in the Glam Bag Plus.
Yeah.
Well, that's the bummer.
To learn more about your products, go to ipsy.com. And I do that a lot because it does tell you, because sometimes I have to admit I've gotten products that I wasn't sure
how to use,
what part of the skincare routine it was supposed to go, what order it was supposed to go in. So I've gone there, and it does a really good job with that. Okay, I'm pulling out another item, and it seems
That's
pretty
big.
Yeah. This is Pure Brazilian. Excuse me just a moment. Pure Brazilian Daily Anti-Frizz Serum. Leave-in treatment for stronger, healthy-looking hair. Okay.
Ooh.
My hair is pretty healthy and it's pretty strong, but it's also pretty frizzy. It's just, I'm sorry, I've got a loose hair that's right across my face.
Speaking of hair.
Yeah. And anything to tame this wild head is good with me. I was going to try to open it.
That is a big product.
It is big, and it has a safety seal. Okay.
I wonder if it smells good. That's what I always want to know when we get like something like that, if it smells good.
It does.
It smells kind of coconutty.
It's like, yeah.
Like it's beachy. It smells like it reminds me of the beach.
Yeah, it's not real strong. It's just kind of there, but I can see it being pleasant in your hair. But yeah, so I'm really anxious to try that. Did I say it said leave-in?
Oh, is it leave-in?
Is that what I said? Or yeah, leave-in treatment.
Okay.
Okay.
Cool.
I will let you know how this works because I'm excited about this.
That's neat.
Okay.
Okay. So my next item is. Oh, this is cute. It's really small. It's the Tarte H2O lip gloss, and I'm looking for the color in Sail Away. So there's what it looks like, and I'll swatch it for you. Oh, this is a really nice, pretty pink color. It's not as brown as some other stuff that I have, so I really like that. That's nice. I like that.
And guess what I got?
Oh.
I got a Tarte H2O, and it's the same color. Where did you find the color?
Over here. Yep, it's the same color. Sail Away.
Same color. And it is a pinker.
Yeah, it's pinker.
I like the more pinkies and berries colors for me. Now she can get away with the brownish, the warmer browns. Not me so much, but they look good on her. So yeah, does it feel glossy?
It does a little bit.
Okay, you may get this.
I have a double. If I like it, I'm in luck.
Yeah, it is kind of thick. It is a thick formula. Okay, that's all right though. As long as one of us can use it, I consider it win-win.
That's right. That's right. All right. So my next item is this. It is Wake Up Call Overnight Regenerative Facial Treatment. So this says Dr. Goldfaden's Overnight Creamy Facial Moisturizer will make skin appear firmer and feel stronger, leaving skin supple, smooth, and hydrated. So this might help too with my breakouts and uneven skin. Yeah, I'm excited to try that too.
And I'm just going to go ahead and show you.
Oh, we're getting 10 bags this month.
It's been a while. I think since we've gotten the same thing. We used to get like 3 out of 5 items. So there's 2 that's the same.
Cool.
Okay.
All right, so my next item is Auto Balm Pick Perf Shadow on the Go. The color is, well, I don't see the color listed anywhere, but let's take a look at it. Maybe it's St. Charles Avenue. That's a pretty color. It's just a nice neutral.
On the pinker side.
Yeah, it's a little bit pink. I'll show you the swatch of it. Well, that's funny. It looks more brown when you swatch it. So there it is. It's the one on the bottom here.
That really surprised me.
Me too, because it looks more pink and it's really strange. But I do like it. I'll probably use this.
With her eyes, she can pretty much get away with any color, and her eyes just pop. Okay, for my last item, yay, I have Cerugi Spotlight Eye Cream. Yes.
Was that what you chose?
Actually, I think I chose the Wake Up Call, but anytime I get eye cream, I'm happy with it. Not that I can really see that that anything helps, but it makes me feel better anyway. Spotlight Eye Cream provides long-lasting moisture, brightness, and firmness when applied to the under eye area. And for an eye cream, that's a really good size sample too. That will last me a long time. But now, like I said, this is one of the things I have on backlog. I've got several others to get through before I get to this one, but it will be there when I'm ready for it.
Cool.
All right.
And my last item, my bag just feels like it keeps going, is, and it was another nail polish. I think this is my third nail polish in a row. And I like this color a lot, actually. It's like a purpley pink. It is Be Your Incredible Self with Nails Ink. Camilla Dry.
Ooh.
That is a really pretty color. And this is different, a lot different from the other colors that I've gotten so far. So I'm excited about this too.
That is really nice.
Especially with summertime coming up when you're wearing sandals more often. You know, you can show off your toenails and everything. So getting nail polish this time of year, I don't mind at all.
No. I got a really good variety. I got what I call 2 skincares in very nice size tubes. I have a makeup brush. I have a hair product, and then I have a makeup.
She did get good variety.
And I have a makeup. So,
yeah.
But what's really neat is my Glam Bag Plus was heavy on the makeup, so it
balances
out.
Yeah.
So I'm happy.
I got a pretty good variety too. I got nail polish. I got 2 cosmetic things, and I got 2 skincare items. So that's pretty good.
You know, if I had to vote for a best bag, I think it's pretty much a toss-up between the two. I think this is good for me, and I think that one's good for you.
I agree. I think they match our needs, our individual needs really, really well. Yeah, except for that. But that matches my needs.
That's right. Well, I think that's it then.
So. Thanks for watching.
Yeah, and if you haven't, we would love to have you subscribe to our channel, and we will see you next time.
That's right.
Take care.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.